Welcome to JermaineAuNatural. I am Jermaine Ryan. In this video, I am still on the road to recovery when it comes to my hair. So I still feel like I need to do another process to get my hair back to pre. So in order for me to do that, if you check out, you'll see where the very first thing that I did was to do a clay mask. So for me, the next step logically was to use something still to really detox the hair, still with really clean ingredients. So who else would I be talking about that kind of fits those credentials? It is the CURLSMITH Detox Kit. So it is a 3-step process. You have your super slip prebiotic primer. You have your wash and scrub detox probiotic. And then finally, step 3, you have your postbiotic calming conditioner. So biotics, we've heard the word, right? No? Think Activia. You know how it talks about probiotics and the good bacteria? Well, CURLSMITH has the exact same thing with this kit, except they have pre, post, and pro. So it's all made for benefiting the scalp. I bought this in 2019, Black Friday, and it's just been waiting on me. So hello, hi, I'm here. Nice to meet you. We should hang out. We should do things. I'm gonna go over details of the ingredients of these with a voiceover when I'm in the shower, but just a few general things about CURLSMITH that I do want to mention is that the products are always cruelty-free. They do have certified organic ingredients in here. They are vegan, so for my vegan folks, vegan products, and they are curly girl friendly. So I'm gonna do a nice little voiceover while I talk about each of these, and make sure you stay tuned to the end so I can talk about what each product said, did, and if there's anything that I need from it. All right, let's go to my space. Let's go get in the room and get in the shower. Hey, it's me. All right, hair is good and thoroughly wet. We're gonna start at the very beginning. A very good place to start. When you detox, you begin with prebiotic primer. So step 1. There's all of the writing on the front, which personally I do enjoy because I am a person that showers and I will read my shampoo bottles and conditioner bottles over and over again, especially if I don't have music going. Am I the only one that does that? No. And even if I do have music going, I will still scrub and read. Scrub and read. Let me hear you say scrub and read. Okay. As far as the smell goes, it has a very light floral fruity smell. It reminds me of a smoothie. Like a smoothie that has peaches. I'm getting but kind of candy-like. What's this candy? That's what it is. Okay. So the smell, have you ever had a blue raspberry Jolly Rancher? That's what this smells like. It says basically that you want to, of course, wet your hair and apply this to your scalp, which the very nifty nozzle is going to help you to do. Massage your scalp. From there, you're then going to work it down. And because it says super slip, it also does say that at this point you need to, once you've gone ahead and work it down, you do need to go ahead and start detangling. And it says finger detangle until you get rid of all the knots and do not rinse out. Let's do it. Consistency. Thin and creamy.
Let's get into the infamous ingredients of CURLSMITH. So first, starting with step 1, which is the Super Slip Prebiotic Primer. First ingredient is water, derived from water. Glycerin, which is derived from plants.
That Jolly Rancher blue raspberry smell, oh my gosh.
Polyquaternium 10, and it also is going to work for giving your hair a conditioned filling, which is typically derived from plants. It is going to act as an anti-static. Next is dicaprylyl carbonate, which is also derived from plants. It is an emollient. It is a conditioner and is what's going to give you that infamous super slip. Next, you have hydrated castor oil. And from here, you then get into the key ingredients. First being the fermented rice water, known to help grow the hair strong, healthy, and also helping to detangle. Next, you have the dragon fruit, which is an antioxidant. It is also going to clear and keep the scalp calm, and is going to make perfect conditions for hair growth. Next, you then have guarana, which is rich in caffeine, which is going to stimulate your hair follicles and encourage growth, followed by nettle, which is going to restore the strength of the hair, reduce breakage, and improve thickness. And then followed by a slew of different extracts.
And it has been primed. I think my hair grew. This took me so much longer than normal. Granted, my hair was extremely tangled, but it took me an hour. It took me an hour to detangle my hair. It feels like I have my density increased. I don't know if I don't like that. It took me so much longer than normal. I guess that's what comes with it. It's gonna grow, I guess. Okay, well, come on, the growth. Come on, 2021. Huh? New lens, more hair. Okay. So now we have 1 + 1 = 2. And that is with the Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic. So this is going to be the shampoo process in the detox kit. So of course I did not rinse my hair because step 1 said do not rinse. All right, so let's look at texture and let's talk about the smell. So, smell. Okay. It's all over my face. At least it didn't get in my eye. The smell is similar to the primer. It's just not as blueberry-y, raspberry-y. So it's a very subtle sweetness, candy scent to it. Very subtle. And texture, ooh, okay. That's it. It looks like it definitely has a creaminess to it, but it is thin.
Moving on to the clarifying exfoliating shampoo. First ingredient, water, derived from water. Next is perlite, which is derived from volcanic ash. This is what the microscrub is made of, and this is what's going to gently but effectively exfoliate your hair. Next, you have 3 of your coconut-derived, plant-derived cleansing and foaming agents, which brings us now to our 6th ingredient, which is radish root ferment, which is a natural preservative. That then brings us once again to dragon fruit, which is going to encourage the healthy hair growth by stimulating the follicles, followed then again by guaranum, which is rich in caffeine, and it's going to also stimulate hair follicles to encourage growth, and again followed by nettle, which is going to restore the strength of the hair, reduce breakage, and improve thickness. And then you also have another key ingredient, which is ginger, which is a natural antioxidant, and is going to calm and clear the scalp, creating perfect growth hair conditions. Then it is followed by several other different natural extracts.
But yeah, get into it. Ain't nobody dope as me. I made it to step 3, 2, 3. So now entering to the final step of the detox kit, and that is step 3, which is the postbiotic calming conditioner. Restore microbiome, refresh, soothe, and hydrate. So cooling conditioner. Ooh, for all hair types and scalps. Cool. Apply generously on wet hair after CURLSMITH Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic. Coat all strands evenly and let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes to perform its best soothing. Oh, it doesn't say best. I like for it to say let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes to perform its best soothing and rebalancing action on the scalp. Rinse off thoroughly. It doesn't say best, it just says to let it perform its soothing, but texture or the consistency. So there are definitely some mints of some sort in here because I could definitely smell what's going to make my scalp tingle on the inside part. And if we were going to compare the consistency to a lotion, it would definitely be that of a normal skin lotion, normal to dry.
It's creamy also. I wasn't expecting that.
And let's go ahead and apply and talk about the ingredients.
And to bring us on home is the cooling conditioner. So first ingredient again, water from water. Ceteryl alcohol. Beep. Then you have 5 different type of conditioning type of ingredients, which then brings us to some of our key ingredients. First one being green tea leaf extract. Green tea is going to help stimulate hair follicles, prevent damage to the hair cells, and is going to encourage healthy hair growth. Next, you have Hamamelis virginiana witch hazel. And what witch hazel is going to do is also going to act as a conditioning agent for your skin. So it's going to help to reduce flaking and restore the suppleness of your skin, aka your scalp in this instance. Next, we have lavender, which is an anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, and antiseptic agent, which is going to balance the scalp's natural oil and production. You then have thyme, which is going to improve the blood circulation and facilitates the delivery of nutrients to the scalp, acting like the scalp's very own floor manager. And then from here are a slew of butters and other oils like tea tree and peppermint. Even hyaluronic acid is in here.
All right, conditioner has been rinsed out and my hair looks good. It looks really, really, really good. It's so super like fluffy and soft. I like that. Okay, so let's talk about ABC. Steps 1, 2, 3. We did it with CURLSMITH Detoxing. 1, 2, 3. Let's talk about what it said, what it did, and if there's anything that I need from it. Step 1, which is the Super Slip Prebiotic Primer. It says it is going to balance, stimulate, protect, and detangle. Based on a lot of the ingredients that are in here, I feel like it would do all of those things that it said that it was going to do. As far as detangling and super slip. So it says the finger detangle, and I definitely think that with the finger detangling, because my hair was really tangled, I was able to actually go through and just kind of pull easily and separate as you saw, and the tangles were coming apart. When it came to combing through, there was more resistance. Then when I tried it with my Felicia Leatherwood, it was a hard stop. With my type of hair, I definitely have to go through with a tool to get it as thoroughly detangled as possible. This was not the best for my hair when it came to using a tool, but the finger detangling part, it did actually do really well on. So if I was gonna need anything from this, that would be it. I would need a little bit more slip, especially when it comes to multi-textured type 4 hair. Other than that, I liked everything about it. I like the things that are in it. I like that it's made of. I like that it's clean. As y'all know that I am big into ingredients. So everything else about it was really good. I don't need anything else from it. Now let's get into step 2, which is the Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic Shampoo. So the shampoo says that it is going to exfoliate, clarify, and cleanse. It says that it is made of 100% particles and that you would barely feel it. Lathered really, really, really well. Massaged it in. I didn't feel any particles, but as far as it clarifying and as far as it saying that my hair is going to feel squeaky clean and good, definitely. Hair felt squeaky clean. It didn't feel overly stripped, which is a good thing. It did everything from it. I don't think that I need anything from it. It is good as it is. Last but absolute not the least is the Postbionic Calming Conditioner. So the Calming Conditioner says that it is going to refresh and soothe and hydrate, and that it has the cooling effect to it. I can still feel the coolness. It definitely feels like there is moisture added back. It's a light moisture, so I'm definitely gonna follow this up with a deep conditioner, but there is moisture here, and it's so soft and light and fluffy, which I really do like. Based off of everything that it said that it was going to do, I think that it did everything here. And as far as the entire detox kit, I feel like the trio covered it all. Listen, they blended well, like the Chipmunks singing. The harmonies between the three were that tight. I liked it. I liked it. It took me a year and a couple of months to actually get to it, but I think the timing was meant to be because this is the time that I actually really needed it. So great products. I definitely would suggest trying them out. Oh, and also I did want to mention, as far as the scent of everything, because I know sometimes when it comes to, because I've not seen a whole lot of guys, particularly guys with my type of hair, if you don't really care for like that fruity floral scent that I got from the first two, like that Jolly Rancher Blue Raspberry scent, you don't have to worry about it. By the time you have put the conditioner on, your hair just smells like mint, and it's a very fresh scent. So if you are conscious of that fruity sweet smell, it's gone after you rinse the conditioner out. So you're good. You're good. All right, so comment down below, let me know if you have used the CURLSMITH Detox kit, how well each item worked for you. So go ahead and press the like button, punch subscribe because it's right there and it's free and I'm a good time. Punch the notification bell so that you can stay abreast of when I post my videos. And again, thank you for tuning into JermaineAuNatural, and I'll see you in the next one.